Hi. It's sunny. This is lovely. We've just arrived, I think, in Montpellier. We're about to cross the road because we've managed to park really close to the beach.
Wow.
I think we probably are parked 100 metres from the water. And this is just a quick stop. We're just stopping, we're having a look, and then we're going to continue down to our next location. But I saw it on the map and thought it'd be a perfect place to have a little break.
Whoa!
Eva? Say good, Eva. Can you wave to everyone, say hi.
Hi.
On camera. Every day we are getting further and further south. Obviously that's going to have to stop at some point because we need to travel home again. So next we travel further to Bazir, or Baziz, I don't know. And I'm hoping we can park up somewhere in the town and have a little bit of explore. Jaynie wants a burger for lunch. Burgers it is. Burgers is Baziz. Yeah, so that should be exciting. I think we're going to head off from here now. We just wanted to quickly stop and stretch our legs. I mean, it was a good excuse. We didn't really need to. We had such a nice short journey. It wasn't really a necessity. So like I said before, there will be a video at the end to give you an idea of where we went, but also to show you costs of like toll roads and fuel. Although our fuel bill's quite high, I've worked out if we go over 70, it does drink fuel. And I think the main reason is because it only has 5 gears. Next motorhome will have 6 gears and cruise control, and then hopefully that will reduce our fuel. We are at McDonald's! Yay! You hungry, Eva? So on our drive since we last spoke, I have seen horses, I've seen like chickens, I've seen boats, flamingos, olive trees, vineyards, as far as the eye can see. Wow. I decided to take a scenic route, and it certainly was scenic. We're going to have something a little bit less cultural than we wish, but Eva being fussy with her diet, we're going to go for McDonald's because it is so much easier.
That. Can you put them on? Should we sit in the sun or should we sit in the shade? And it was a really, really hard decision to make. I'm loving the vitamin D on me.
Well, that was different. We had chips with, or fries with cheese, melted cheese, and or some cheesy sauce thing, and bacon and something else. And then we had like a ciabatta square thing, which was really delicious. That was nice. Lots of new things. And our meals, they were massive. They weren't normal because they came with like the main burger, which was the ciabatta thing, which was huge. And then they also came with 4 or 5 chicken nuggets and as well as the fries and a drink. So that was a bit more than I thought we'd need. We're going to go to a campsite now. We're going to go via Bazirs. We'll sort of drive around the outside and see what we see. See you in a bit.
Did they move?
So we are now at an Intermarché. Jaynie doesn't like Intermarché, but
I like the blue and orange one.
we like Eclairat. Eclair.
It sounds like a Claire, yeah.
Eclair. It doesn't sound like a Claire, does it? Okay,
It
Claire.
looks like it smells like that.
Anyway, we're here, and it's a super, so hopefully it's quite big. We're still trying to work out the sort of different scales of shop based on their wording. So we need some bits and pieces, and we just parked the motorhome in 3 bays or 4 bays because there wasn't any spaces. Hopefully we don't get in trouble. We don't want to get in trouble, we don't annoy people. Check out the suntan, or the sunburn. Red cheeks. Back to the motorhome. Fail. Need to get a €2 coin. Could get a €1 coin, but don't have any. I'm sure we had some euros left over from our last trip. Jaynie can't find them. As you know, we're in the south of France, and we are now starting to realise that buying a motorhome without aircon may be a little bit of a mistake. Not a bad mistake, like just a. It may be something we could have thought about. And we love our motorhome, obviously, it's great, it really is. I think it's something to think about. Bonjour. Bonjour. And I think we should maybe look at a way to cool it down a bit. Country roads with the windows down, it's fine, but motorways with the windows down, it just doesn't work. Maybe the answer is just to go on country lanes and not do the motorways, but first we wouldn't get very far, and secondly, we'd have to spend a lot of time travelling to get anywhere. Okay, shopping complete. Eva has been exercised, Ethan has driven her crazy. Now it's time to go back to the motorhome. Put the shopping away, head on to the air for this evening, and then we're going to have to relax, I think, a lot. It's getting a bit tiring. Let's go.
So I found this park tonight and I thought it looked amazing. I then thought I'd put in the right postcode, but it turns out
right, then your destination will be on the
other
right.
one,
Your
which
destination.
is closed and currently being used as a festival site or something similar. Anyway, so we put the new postcode in and here we are, right near the water. Very nice.
Our campsite now for about 2 hours ish. We've had some food, we are sighted and excited and sighted. We're all powered up and ready to enjoy our evening. Now this site has, apparently I think it says 20 or something pitches, but there's definitely more than 20 here and there's tons more space. I think the 20 is maybe for sockets, I'm not sure. You've got this kind of row of people that you can see immediately. They're all in a line with sockets, 16 amp sockets with 16 amp breakers, all locally to them, within about 15 metres, 20 metres. But then there's people like, I don't know if you can see, sort of, it's hard to see really, far in the distance. And they must have like 100 metre cables at least, just trailing right across the floor. Within 100 metres, 150 metres, you've then got the water. I think it's the sea. I was going to say the sea, but I don't know if it is. But anyway, yeah, so you've then got water and it is absolutely beautiful. We'll go down in the morning and show you. But we paid, well, we didn't pay. We checked in with a lady at the hut next to the barrier who let us in. I think she spoke a lot of French and I nodded a lot, and yeah, I think we have to pay in the morning when we leave. I hope that's what she meant. It's a good place. It's right near the road. It's not that noisy, not affecting us, and I guess it probably quietens down even more at night time. Right, so I've got a glass of wine and I'm going to sit down and enjoy that with some snacks. Ethan chose some yummy snacks at the supermarket earlier, which is exciting. Ethan is now tucking into a hot chocolate. I've just seen him bring it out. I bought some Cadbury's hot chocolates. They're the ones that they're designed for vending machines. So you get them in like a pack of 10 all stacked together, and they've already got the hot chocolate powder inside them. It's definitely not very green, and put hot water straight into them and they just work. If you're a hot chocolate novice like me, they are the solution. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, it's time to go to bed now. So it's 10:30, and as you can see it's dark, so I'm going to sign off now and see you for tomorrow's video. Good night, bye.